So friends, I don't know how many of you get confused when asked about very simple parliamentary terms. Like sometimes we get confused between what is dissolution of the house and what is prorogue. What is summoning of the house, what is adjournment and what is adjournment sine die. So all these terms are very basic in nature but very important for the exam perspective. When these terms are simply asked in the examination and we don't remember these terms, we regret not knowing these terms. So no more regret. We will cover all these terms in very simple way in this video only, and after watching this video you won't get confused ever. So let's start knowing all these terms in very simple way and one by one. So first term is summoning of the house. First thing you need to remember about summoning, that summoning of the house is done by president. Every year when parliamentary session is to start, this is done by the president. When any session of the parliament will start, it will be summoned by the president. President summons MPs of the parliament, and MPs of the parliament come to the house, come to their respective house like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and they start the normal business hour. So this is called summoning of the house. It is done by the president. Second term is prorogue. Prorogue simply means to completely end that session. Like this monsoon session is going on and president decided to completely end this session. So this will be done by prorogue. Prorogue means completely end this session. Like monsoon session will be completely ended by president through the means of prorogue. Then monsoon session has ended. Then again, winter session will be started by the summoning of the house and then completely ended by the prorogue of the house. So this is basic term summon and prorogue. There is another term adjournment. What is adjournment? Adjournment means to stop to pause that sitting for the very short time. Adjournment is done for the very specific sitting. Like today, the parliamentary session is going on, parliamentary house is doing its business, and by any chance, in any circumstance, the presiding officer has to stop that sitting for the very short period. So it will be done by adjourn. So it is done by the presiding officer. In Lok Sabha, it is done by the speaker, and in Rajya Sabha, it is done by the chairman. You must have heard that this session is adjourned till 2 p.m. or by this day. This session is adjourned for today. So what is this? This is adjournment of the sitting. There is another term, that is adjournment sine die. What is adjournment sine die? Adjournment sine die, it is done uh, for the indefinite period. Like it is also done by the presiding officer as in adjournment, but there is no definite time. Like when adjournment sine die is done, a speaker or the chairman does not tell you the exact time or exact date when will this session will resume again. It is done for the indefinite period. It can be resumed tomorrow, it can be resumed day after tomorrow, it can be resumed anytime, any day after this adjournment sine die, but the time and date is not confirmed or not told by anyone or by the presiding officer. So this is the very very basic difference between adjournment and the adjournment sine die. What is adjournment? Adjournment is stopping or pausing the sitting of the house for the very short period or for the definite period. Like it is adjourned till 2 p.m. or it is adjourned for the day. But when adjournment sine die is done, it is not told to anyone that the session is being paused for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It is simply said that parliament is adjourned sine die, means there's no definite period. It can be resumed anytime, any day, like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and anytime. There's no time defined. So these were the terms, and there's another one more term, that is called dissolution of the house. you know House simply means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So when you know the Rajya Sabha is the permanent house of the parliament, so it is not dissolved. Lok Sabha is dissolved after every before the general election, because when the Lok Sabha completes its 5-year term, it is dissolved by the president, and the next general election happens and new Lok Sabha constituted after every 5 years. It can also be done when the ministry of council of ministers, or the government has no majority in the house, or they lose their majority, so it can also be done in that case. So dissolution of the house means completely ending the session, ending not ending the session, ending the house, completely ending the house, means Lok Sabha will be dissolved, means this Lok Sabha, like 70th Lok Sabha or 80th Lok Sabha, has been dissolved. Now new Lok Sabha will be constituted, and that will be known by next term, like 90th Lok Sabha or 20th Lok Sabha, or any number can be done. So this is basic terms, like prorogue, dissolution. I told you adjournment. So these are very basic terms. Please remember it. It will help you in examination hall. Believe me. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. All the very best to everyone. Thank you.